Ever painted a wall and it came out messy? Have bubbles, crack, or strikes ruin your hard work? Let me tell you a quick story. I was just like you. I painted my first room, excited to see the finished product, only to find cracks and strikes everywhere. But guess what? In just minutes, I learned simple tricks that saved my painting job, and I'm about to share them with you. By the end of this video, you will know how to fix paint problem faster than you can say, brush strokes, and you will never have to deal with bad walls again. Stay with me to the end. I've got a special tips that will make your paint jobs look pro leveled in no time. All right, let's get into it. Painting can be smoother, fun, but it can also feel like a disaster if things go wrong. Crack, bubbles, strikes, they can make you want to quit, but don't worry. I am here to show you how to solve those problems quickly and easily. Have you ever seen tiny cracks in your paint, like little lines running across the surface? That's called cracking, and it happens when the paint is applied too thick or it dries too quickly. If you see cracks, don't panic. Simply sand that area lightly and apply a new tiny coat of paint. Easy, right? But if you want to avoid cracks altogether, remember this: always paint in tiny layers and don't rush the drying process. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing that perfect, smooth finish after fixing those cracks in minutes. Your walls will look brand new. Bubbles are the worst. They are little bumps that pop up when air gets trapped under the paint. You paint a wall and suddenly it looks like it's got the chicken pox. Yeah, I know most of you. Chicken pox simply means dot on your skin. We Africans, we know what it means. So when you see those dot on the wall after painting, it is called bubbles. So pop the bubbles gently with pin, smooth it down, and apply a tiny layer or fresh paint over it. To avoid bubbles in the first place, make sure the surface is clean and dry before you start painting. And don't paint in really hot or humid condition. That's a place that is airtight. Don't paint. Make sure the windows and everywhere and the doors are open. Picture this. No more bubbles while running the look of your beautiful painted wall. Just smooth walls that you can show off. That is what you're going to achieve after using this process to fix a paint bubbles. Strikes. Strikes happens when the paint isn't applied evenly or the brush is too dry. It leaves ugly marks on your walls and nobody wants that. If you spot strikes, don't stress. Just go over the area with another coat of paint, making sure your brush is fully loaded with paint. This time, to avoid strikes, always paint in one direction and keep a good amount of paint on your brush or roller. Imagine seeing a wall that's completely smooth and evenly without no strikes in sight. That's the result you want, and you can get it every time with these simple steps. Number 4, paint drips. So we have all been there. those annoying drips that running down the wall. Why the paint is still wet. Wipe up the drips with a damp cloth if they are still wet. That's if they have dried. That's the wall. Lightly sand them away and repaint that area to prevent drips. Don't overload your brush with paint. It will make you avoid paint drips. Now imagine never having to worry about messy drips again. You will feel like a pro every time you step back and see a flawless paint job. Now, the final tips to avoid this problem altogether. One, make sure your walls are clean and dry before painting. Dirt and moisture can cause bubbles and strikes. Two, don't rush. Let the paint dry properly between coats. Three, always use good quality brushes or roller to get a smooth finishing. If you follow these easy tricks, you will never again have to deal with paint problem again, and it only takes a minute to fix no matter what goes wrong. So whether you are painting a bedroom, living room, or even a tiny corner, these tips will save you time and frustration. Did you find these tips helpful? If so, let me know in the comments what paint problem you have faced and which one would you like me to cover next. I post do it yourself videos 3 times a week, so make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. And remember, yes, remember, if I have a free offer like a free ebook or special giveaway, it only lasts 1 week. So be sure to watch my videos as soon as they go live to grab those free gifts. You don't want to miss out on these tips and offers. They are going to help you become a paint expert in no time. So make sure you hit the notification bell, turn it on so you get the free offer, discount price, free ebook, whatever I'm giving out in any of my video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.